We were using another company to outsource our human resource function and our payroll function. And we had a hard time getting someone to talk to us. We pride ourselves here for not needing a lot of help. But if I can't log on and figure out how to pay someone or change their payroll or add health insurance, then I need a hand. So I received a call from Christina at PEO Spectrum, and she was the first cold call that I've ever received that ever really resulted in anything. PEO Spectrum showed me what I was currently paying and what I could be paying with company B and what I could be paying with company C. I always got a call back or an email back. It was a really quick process and painless. It was really painless. Like, we had weird questions and they answered every single one of our weird questions. We changed from the number 1 insurance provider to the number 2 insurance provider, and the overlap is something like 95%, except now we pay a lot less. PEO Spectrum has saved me like $50,000 annually. We use that money to hire another person in our department. And so now I get to go home and spend time with my kids instead of, being here doing accounting.